Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to see the jobs that you have applied to in the BestJobs application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you're in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see a profile. Press on it. And here in this page you should just select the third option, which is My Jobs. And here in this page you will be able to see all your jobs that you have applied to, and if you don't have any, just like I do, you can just press on search and apply to jobs. And here basically you can just search up jobs in the search bar up there, or you can just look at the jobs here that you can see. And of course these jobs are going to be in your country, and a lot of them are going to be in close proximity, and if you like them you can just press on apply and try them out. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.